Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors. Thanks for coming by today. It's nice to have you. I want to wish everyone a happy Easter coming up. And I just want to show you my small order that I placed with Lisa at the Happy Crafter shop. So she sent it in this pink mailer. And I have my packing slip here that shows what I bought. And this is the box, and I already cut the sticker open because I didn't have the lighting in here very good. The lighting is terrible, actually. So that's why this little sticker is cut here, and that's so cute. I have those stickers, too. I thought they were adorable. So this is a thank you for your order, and these are the places you can get in touch with Lisa, and this is the website you can order from. Uh, so I ordered some Velcro dots. I don't have any, and these are the blue ones. I think they come in several colors, but those were all sold out. So I got the blue, and her stuff does sell out very fast. I got the ready to make, ready to be dangle. I'm sorry, I can't even talk tonight. And their little pens, aren't they so cute? And this is good for me to have to get a start on making a dangle. I can like coordinate the colors and maybe have a theme going. So I got a couple of those. The other ones were sold out. Oh yeah, she included a couple little free gifts. So we have these pendant shaped and faceted little charms in those colors. And she also sent these faceted hearts. And these are also charms. So thank you, Lisa, for that. This is a die that I wanted to get that was sold out. This is the doily die, and I saw a few people making projects with this. It's just awesome to make something that's layered and really helps you. So it has this outer piece here, and this is the doily piece. It has a nice stitched piece, and then that scalloped center. And then it comes in a smaller size. I believe this is 3 inches, and this one is 2.5. So just cut this out of a couple of different colors and put some foam in between the layers, and you'll have the start to a nice um, layered piece. So, sorry for the background noise. So, another die that I wanted is this one here. Oops. And that doily die was sold out once already. And when I went there, it was back in stock. But it's possible it's going to sell out again. But we'll talk about that again in a minute. And I got these two dies, and they have double shadow pieces, and this says spring and this says summer. Let me turn it this way. That makes more sense, even though it's still backwards. But you guys know. So spring and summer. So also there are, well, at least two guest designers that I know of that can save you money with their coupon code. So I will link that information in the description box. And I did save almost $4. So on the back here, she's on Instagram. She shares the projects that she makes. She has a YouTube channel. And if you make something, use that hashtag and tag her so she can come see how you used your products. So I am going to give one of these away. I'm really, really busy like this month. So I'm going to ask that you please share my video. I am trying to get to 1,300 subscribers so we can have like an awesome giveaway. Um, just a small goal I'm working towards. Um, and I think I am actually going to host a challenge pretty soon, but we'll talk about that another time, not today. So if you are interested in winning the doily die, please use the word spring in your comment, and I am actually going to leave this open until the 30th of April. So I know that sounds like a little bit of a long time, and I'm sorry about that, but I just have a lot going on, and I really appreciate it. I want one of you guys to be able to win one of these, and of course, I'm going to put some more things in with this giveaway. So please use the word spring. And YouTube is not associated with this giveaway. It is USA only. Um, Please be a subscriber, and it would be awesome if you brought someone else in that wants to subscribe. If they, watch a few videos and they like my channel, and that would be awesome. Thank you guys. So I will draw the winner on May 1st, though. Okay, so you have until the 30th. It will close then, and I will draw the winner on May 1st. All right. So thank you, and I will see you next time with something new.